day, it's been so bright, like the noise of the thunder across the sky. Through that blossomness and that powerful of that fire, through your wonderful day and my day, through your heart and my heart, like the thunder of noise across the sky, through love around you and me, through that fire and that powerful love around you and me, like that noise, like the sound of the thunder across the sky of love, through your heart and my heart, in that blossom of fire and love and blessings. Through your day and my day, through that light and that gift of Jesus Christ.